How to automatically find messages with specific keywords in Telegram groups and send them to the right chat. In this video, we will set up an automation for finding car listings in Telegram groups. This is just one example of how you can use it. You can create your own automation for different tasks, such as finding clients, requests, offers, or any other information using keywords. For this, we will use a regular Telegram account and the Telegram account automation platform, Neuralux. First, go to the Accounts section and connect your Telegram account. If you are doing this for the first time, use the video tutorial. Then, go to the Ready Workflows section and select the Monitor Chats for Keywords workflow. Now let's configure it. First, choose the chats you want to monitor. In my case, it is car dealership. Next, choose the chats where found messages will be sent. For me, it is cars to review. After that, specify the keywords you want to monitor. I want to track messages that mention Toyota or cars from 2023. Next, select the Telegram account that will monitor messages and the account that will send them to the destination chats. In my case, it is the same account. Create the workflow. Now let's test how it works. I will send a message from another account. The first message was immediately sent to the destination chat because it mentioned Toyota. The next message was also sent because it contained 2023. But this message was not sent because it contained neither Toyota nor 2023. The workflow works correctly. In the future, you can modify it in the visual editor, add additional conditions, or use artificial intelligence. This is only one example of using Neuralux. You can create your own automations for your specific needs. If you like this automation, leave a like and subscribe to the channel to not miss new videos. See you in Neuralux!